We'll guide you through how to get Claude Pro for free using the latest methods available. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Claude AI website. You'll see an option to sign up or log in, so if you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up and fill in the necessary details. After creating your account, log in and navigate to the Account Settings section, usually found in the lower right corner of the page. Here, you may see an option for subscriptions or plans. Click on that and you'll see various subscription options. Look for any promotional offers or free trial options for Claude Pro. These promotions are sometimes listed under Special Offers or Promotions tab. If a free trial is available, select it and follow the prompts to activate it. You might need to enter payment details, but rest assured, you won't be charged until the trial period ends. Make sure to set a reminder to cancel the subscription before the trial concludes if you decide not to continue with a paid plan. This way, you can enjoy the Pro features without any cost. Remember, these free trials are often limited-time offers, so it's a good idea to keep checking the website or subscribe to their newsletter for updates on new promotions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.